I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware so the connection can work. This saves time and prevents dead ends. Dock your switch and keep it powered on, because wired controller support is only available through the dock's USB ports. Grab a USB-C to USB-A data cable. Charging only leads won't establish input. Make sure the dual sense is charged. Low battery can stop pairing. Once done, make sure your switch system is updated to the latest firmware to maximize compatibility before you plug anything in. Now you connect the dual sense directly to the dock. Plug the USB-C end into the controller and insert the USB-A plug into one of the dock's rear or side USB ports. The switch should detect a wired input device. You may not see full dual sense features, but basic controls and analog input are recognized. If the home menu asks to register the controller, assign it to player 1 or another slot. Once registered, test buttons and sticks in the controller settings to confirm responsiveness. Finish by testing in-game so you confirm button mapping and analog feel. If sticks seem off, calibrate them in system settings under controllers and sensors. If the switch does not recognize input right away, unplug and replug the cable and restart the console. Temporary driver issues clear with a reboot. If problems persist, note that some dual sense features are unsupported, and the most reliable fix without success is using a dedicated adapter or updating the dock firmware. That resolves the majority of edge case incompatibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.